Good day, students. Today we are going to see a problem based on class 9. The chapter name is linear equation in two variables. I have taken this problem as an introduction part. So this is from exercise 4.1, second problem. It is given as express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. So I have taken few problems to explain you clearly this concept. So first let us take 2x plus 3y equals 9.35. Here the 5 is repeating, so they have written the bar symbol here. 5 is having bar. Because what? Because 5 is repeating. Okay. So this is the solution. So let us start with the solution. So first, the given equation is like this. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. So we have to write x, y and the constant term in the left hand side, equating it to 0. This is the concept. Okay. So here 2x, the given question can be done as 2x plus 3y, and this 9.35, here it is in the positive symbol. There is nothing, the symbol there is nothing, so you should take it as positive. So if you take it to this side, this 9.35, it will become negative 9.35 bar. And the right hand side is having nothing, so it should be equated to 0. Fine. Now this 2x is in the positive sense, 3y is also is in the positive sense. But here c, that is the constant which is having x and y, it is not having x and y. So you should write positive outside, and this 9.35 should be written inside the bracket. Is it fine? It is equal to 0. Now just equate this equation, whatever you have got now, with the original equation, general format, ax plus by plus c equals 0. So now just compare these two equations. What is the x coefficient? Here the x coefficient is 2. So you should write a as 2. Am I correct? That is, coefficient of x is a na here in this original equation, the general format. So whatever here in the equation which you are getting now, that should be equal to your a. Now what is your b? Here y coefficient is b. So here y coefficient is 3. So the answer of b is 3. So what happened to the constant c? Here the c is here, which is alone without x and y, isn't it? So here c is the value which is having negative along with it. So negative 9.35 bar. This is the answer for the first question. So now let us go to the second question solution. So can you write like this, x minus, so this y is inside the bracket. If I take y outside the parenthesis, what happened? The numerator is having, that won't have any value. So 1 over 5 will be there. Am I correct? Into y minus 10 equals 0. Like this you can frame it. See, this is in the format of ax plus by plus c equals 0, isn't it? Now you can you can have any confusion, like see, a is in the positive sense, b is in the positive sense, and c is also in the positive sense. So again you can try to rearrange this equation as x. This minus can be taken inside the parenthesis, so minus 1 over 5 into y, and this 10 also, this since it's having negative 10, so you can write like this, positive, this is plus into minus 10 equals 0. If you do like this, you can easily find the value of a. Now tell me, what is the value of a? It will be, so here compare, a is what? Coefficient of x. There is no value here now, so the value of a will be 1. And what is the a value here? That is b value. Y should have b. That is coefficient of y is b. So what is here? Negative 1 over 5. Now what is c value? C is this constant which is having negative 10. Okay. Now let us go to this third question. So it is negative 2x plus 3y. Just group everything to the left hand side. Okay, this is left hand side, and that side should be your right hand side, isn't it? Left hand side, right hand side. Just equate them. it is given like this. So you should take whatever value is in the right hand side, just take to the left hand side. So 6 becomes minus 6 equals 0. Now, so negative 2 can be written within the parenthesis, isn't it? Okay, so plus 3 is having positive symbol, so we can write as it is. 6 is having negative 6, negative in front of it, so we can write like this, isn't it? Now compare the value with the given equation. Ax plus by plus c equals 0. So what is your a? Say along with me. A is minus 2, isn't it? What is b? B is the coefficient of y, which is what? 3. And c is just a constant. So here, what is the c value? Negative 6. Am I clear? So now let us go to the next equation. So it is x, x is equal to 3y is given. Na? So you should just take whatever in the right hand side to the left hand side. So I can write like this, isn't it? So now what is the equation? Ax plus by plus c. It is given. This equation is given and you should compare with the given equation. Now this can be written in the format as x. You can take negative 3 inside the parenthesis of y and see the constants. See here, this value is absent here. So okay, we can write 0, isn't it? Equal to 0. See, if you add 0 to any number, that number will won't change, isn't it? So plus 0. So it won't make that much, it won't make any difference. So now what is the value of a? Coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? There is nothing. So it is 1. What is coefficient of y? It is negative 3. So that is your b. And what is c? It is a constant value here. There is constant value is absent. If it is absent, it should be 0. Am I clear? So now here 3x. What is y? There is no y given. So can you write like this? 0y plus 2 equals 0. Am I clear? So now compare with the equation. This equation. What is a? Say along with me. What is a? X coefficient is 3. So that is your a. What is b? Y coefficient. What is y coefficient here? 0. And now what is c? C is the constant value, which is without x and y. So that is 2. So this is the answer for this equation. So now here 5 equals 2x is given. Can I write like this? 2x equals 5. I didn't do anything. I'm just changing the places here. 2x I'm taking to the left hand side, 5 to the right hand side. The same line. Okay. So now what happens? 2x. Now I can rewrite now 2x. So here y is absent. So I should write plus 0y. And this 5 is a constant. So I can take it to the left hand side. So 5 becomes negative 5 equals 0. Am I clear? So now again I'm rearranging 2x plus 0y and plus this 5 is having negative, so I'm taking inside the parenthesis, so which is equal to 0. Now compare the equation. What is a? Say along with me. X coefficient is 2, so a is 2. What is b? Y coefficient is 0, so b is 0. What is c? The constant, which is not having x and y, that is minus 5. So this is the required answer. So if you are having any doubt, you can just repeat this video. Thank you, students. Kindly share this with your friends. Thank you so much.